My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle has done just under 37,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons on the left, we can access radio, media and Bluetooth, as well as voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with park distance control. Just below our screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. Just below, if we click our mode button, we can access our 4 different driving modes, which include eco, normal, sport and individual. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.